if you need to change the battery of your Webasto remote controller, just take a coin or something and turn counterclockwise. Here this cover comes off. There we have the battery. Then you can use your fingernails to grab the old battery out or use tweezers. This is the easiest way to get it out. Then we take the new battery out of the box and put it inside the remote controller like this. Then we take the cover and put it back on. We just need to turn it clockwise now to tighten, like that. So that was pretty easy to change the battery for the Webasto remote controller.